Morning everybody, it's Simon here from VZoo, and to start the week with a bang, we have an amazing V8 Defender behind me on the dyno. This is in for a supercharger pulley, so our performance smaller supercharger pulley from Paramount Performance for the VZoo Remap on the ECU of course, and the cold air induction kit being fitted to it. So enough of me, we're going to listen to what the vehicle does now, see the numbers on the dyno, and then the workshop guys are going to get to work unlocking the potential of this engine. So if you are listening on a phone, just watch the volume. If you've got headphones in, well, it's going to be loud. So I did warn you that was going to be loud, and it definitely was. Now, it turns out, doing a little bit more digging into the car and checking the software, and of course looking at the dyno run itself, this car looks like it had already been tuned when we ran it on the dyno. And sure enough, it turns out it has been. Now, the customer was unaware of this, but when we pulled the ECU and looked at the data inside, we can see that a number of maps that are typically modified for tuning had been adjusted. Now, the good news is there's plenty of more scope inside of the ECU to open up the engine and really sort of unlock that potential. When we looked at the supercharger pulley as well, we could see there was an aftermarket performance supercharger pulley on there. Its origin unknown, its size a little bit smaller than the stock one, but a little bit bigger than our performance one, Paramount Performance pulley. So we refitted the Paramount Performance smaller supercharger pulley, fitted the lovely cold air induction kit as well, and got to work on the software. Now in the ECU itself, as I said, a number of maps had been missed that needed to be modified, but the car still put down a very healthy 591 horsepower and 794 newton meters of torque. Now, some people will be happy with that, but we know there's more in there. So we're going to get to work inside the software and get the ECU back in. Now all the hardware has been done, we'll get the software into the ECU and get the car running again. So we knew there was more on the table for this car, and sure enough, it delivered with the ECU changes, hardware upgrades, so that slightly smaller top pulley in the induction kit. Remember before, it ran 591 horsepower and 794 newton meters of torque. It's now coming in harder and stronger on the torque with a much smoother torque curve, and we'll talk about that a little bit in a second with the ECU changes we've made. But the overall power figures are fantastic. 634 horsepower and 854 newton meters of torque, with a much broader, wider torque band inside the ECU and delivered through the engine and the powertrain on the dyno graph. Now, we mentioned earlier on that not all of the maps that were required for tuning had been modified, and sure enough, we went and made the changes to those maps. Particularly on these ones, it's to do with the supercharger control. So this is all about the airflow, the desired airflow over the supercharger, and the geometry of the bypass valve on there in relation to throttle request and torque demands. There's a lot of intricate little bits inside the ECU that need to be modified to make sure that the overall strategy is working to deliver the performance that we want whilst maintaining that normal day-to-day drivability as well. What that means is once we've finished making the changes to things like our torque requests, our power limiters, our supercharger airflow control maps, it means we've got a car that's perfectly drivable to the shops, responds exactly how you'd expect a lovely, well put together car like this to respond on normal day-to-day driving. But it means there's that massive amount of torque and power under the right foot. So when you start to squeeze the gas pedal a little bit more, it really comes to life and releases some of those 854 newton meters of torque almost on tap whenever you need them. So monstrous car. Obviously there's further upgrades that can be done to this with obviously the high flow sports cats and our lower crank pulley upgrade as well to really unlock the true beast potential from this Defender 5 litre V8 Supercharged. Now if you want to look at getting your V8 Supercharged modified and tuned, whether it's on the dyno or with one of our home tuning systems, remember to check out the details on one of our various links on the videos. Drop us a PM, call us on 01789 774444, or drop us an email, info@Paramount Performance, to get all these wonderful hardware upgrades, or info@vzoo.com if you're looking at getting tuning tools and equipment to start offering this to customers in your garage. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Hope they give you a little bit more information, a bit more sort of behind the scenes of what we do here. And yeah, what a wonderful car, and a very happy customer afterwards as well. Thanks for watching, everyone.